today we're going to be showing you guys how to get the revolver. We're here with the boys 229.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Let's go. So don't grab those. I wouldn't. Just do some parkour.
It's very easy.
Or if you have them unlocked.
I don't have that. I want the ogre hands.
Oh, there's a kid stuff.
Oh my gosh, get it. I can get it. I can get it.
Where is everyone?
Give me a jump.
Hold on, guys. I died. Technical difficulties. We get distracted. He just chucked someone's stuff. Where is it? Hold on, guys. We're getting.
Where are you?
All right, serious now. Serious now. I'm coming. No way, bro. I just. Where are you, bro? Ow! Frick. Bro, where are you? Here's the revolvers right here where I am. So this is the revolver. It costs 3 coins. And the ammo is... Where's the ammo?
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
Over here. This is the ammo right here. Right here. And this costs 1
Yep,
coin.
they cost 5,000.
So if
Then
you want
this
to get
one
both,
costs-
you gotta pay 4 crystal thingies.
900.
I hope
So
that
this
guys...
is what I'm trying to get. I'm trying to get the RPG and the.
I'm trying to get the ogre hands because I'm green. I'm Hulk.
Alright. Here, I'll join right back. I'm just gonna leave the game. Actually, no. I'm just gonna do.
That's it for this episode. Goodbye. We'll see you later. Schnibbity dib, schnibbity dop.